Welcome to this technical guide on managing Boomi integration efficiency. Today, we're addressing a common challenge for developers: process step limitations. As integrations grow in complexity, it is vital to keep our process design lean to ensure scalability and avoid development roadblocks. You may have encountered this warning on your canvas. You are approaching the maximum number of steps in the current process. This isn't just a suggestion. It's a signal that your process is nearing its operational threshold. If left unaddressed, this warning will eventually lead to a hard stop, preventing you from adding any new logic or operations to your integration. So, why does this happen? Boomi imposes a hard limit of 250 total steps and notes per process. To give you a head start on optimization, the system triggers a warning once you pass 100 steps. Reaching the 250 limit doesn't just impact your UI, it can threaten the long-term maintainability and performance of the entire integration. The resolution begins with a clear assessment. Open your process in the Boomi integration UI and take a careful tally of your total steps and notes. Understanding exactly where you sit relative to the 250-step limit allows you to plan your optimization strategy effectively before you hit a development wall. Next, look for opportunities to consolidate. Are you using multiple set properties or map shapes in a row? Consider replacing them with a single data process step containing multiple functions. By eliminating redundant steps and simplifying the overall flow, you can significantly reduce your step count without losing any core functionality. The most effective way to manage complexity is modularization. Instead of one massive process, break your logic down into smaller, reusable sub-processes. By using the process call step, you offload the step count to child processes. This doesn't just bypass the step limit, it makes your integrations easier to read, test, and reuse across your entire environment. By following these steps, you can ensure your Boomi environment remains scalable and easy to maintain. Remember to monitor your execution and ensure the warnings are gone and the logic remains sound.